Hi everybody, we are actually at Sandals, Emerald Bay in Exuma, Bahamas. And we're in room 53 floor, so you want to show you the room that we're in. It's actually called the Beach House One Bedroom Butler Suite, I believe is what it's called. 1BO is the name. It's great, it really is great. You actually have two bathrooms. First one is immediately to your right as you walk into the suite. And you have one of three closets right here as you walk in. Obviously we didn't need it. We're only here for 4 days, so we use the other two closets. We'll show you those in a minute. Okay, mini bar is in this hallway here. Fridge is down below. And then you have a sitting room. You obviously have a place to sit and relax. You also have a table to have meals if you'd like, or whatever. There's a TV in that room as well. And here's the bedroom. Certainly comfortable. Another TV. And here's some towel art that our butler did for us last night, which is really cute. Now in this hallway, you actually have two closets. The first one actually has shelving on it because there are no dressers in the room. But this has worked out really well for us. Safe is there as well. Full-length mirror. You actually find 2 or 3 of those here in the bathroom area. And then you'll have another closet for hanging clothing. And next is the main bathroom with double sink. You have a great soaking tub, and I used that the first night that we were here. Very comfortable. And then, of course, a shower. I have to say the water pressure here is really, really good. It's one of the things that I sometimes get frustrated with if the water pressure is not good. It takes forever to wash your hair, but it's really good. No issues there. And then, of course, you have the water closet, the toilet. And then we'll show you the view. We are actually up on the 3rd floor. We're in building 5, which is close to the quiet pool. We like it very much. This particular suite is in, going from memory, I believe it's 2, 3, and 5. And we chose 5 because we wanted to be a little bit more quiet. It is a walk up to the restaurants, but that doesn't seem to bother us. But as you can see, we can see the ocean from the balcony. We really prefer a walkout. And when we come back, I will probably reserve the walkout for us at just our own personal preference. But this is definitely a lovely suite. The resort as a whole, as you can see, is absolutely wonderful. We had a great time here. This is our last 4 days, so we'll be going home.